Today, I'm diving into a tool that's quickly become a major part of my content creation workflow, OpusClip. If you've ever made a 10 or 15 or 20-minute YouTube video and thought, I wish there was a quick and easy way to turn this masterpiece into a short, punchy, TikTok-worthy video, or maybe you just want to cut up a long-form video that has performed really well on another platform, and you want to create a bunch of short teaser clips that can link back to the original longer video, ultimately driving more traffic to that already performing video, OpusClip might just be exactly what you're looking for. I'm going to show you exactly how I use OpusClip to turn my long-form videos into scroll-stopping teaser clips with captions and B-roll. So let's start with the basics. OpusClip is an AI-powered video clipping tool. You upload your long-form video, or what I do is just drop a YouTube link, and it automatically splices together short-form vertical videos optimized for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, basically all the places your audience lives when they're not spending time doing what they should be doing, watching your long-form videos. And yes, I said automatically. It automatically splices them. It finds the most engaging moments in your video, adds captions, and formats everything into vertical form. You don't have to go through an entire video searching for that one good clip where you didn't say or every 5 seconds.
If I'm doing a conference and I'm not doing anything, I was just traveling. I wasn't, as I told the officer, I was traveling. I'm only supposed to have a driver's license if I'm like.
And then drag your mouse across the timeline to mark the timestamp of where you want to clip the video. So let me show you how I use OpusClip in my own workflow. After I upload a long-form video, usually something that's either mortgage related, maybe a tech review, or just me being overly excited about some type of new camera gear, I let OpusClip do its thing. Within a couple of minutes, I get back a batch of short clips, and they're not random. AI analyzes speech patterns, audience retention cues, and even facial expressions to pull what it calls high virality potential segments. I didn't make it up. Basically, it finds the parts of your video that are most likely to perform best on short-form platforms without having to scroll through the whole video frame by frame like it's 2013. A really cool feature is the smart captions. They're animated, readable, and way cleaner than most auto-generated captions that are out there. Plus, you can customize fonts, colors, where they're positioned on the vertical video. It's really cool. Better than most that I've used. No more captions that look like they are the ones that you see when you just turn on the captions while watching Netflix. I use the clips as trailers on YouTube videos to drive traffic back to the full long-form YouTube video. But this can also be used for trailers on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I may even throw a few on LinkedIn if I'm feeling particularly professional that day. Beyond clipping, OpusClip offers a few other gems. One awesome feature is its AI-generated B-roll insertions. It can automatically add stock B-roll where the AI thinks it fits. This is really cool if you're talking about homes, mortgage loan, camera features, you name it, and you don't want to just stare into the camera the whole time talking about those features. It will literally take and translate what you're saying and put in B-roll.
For those with seasonal income, like working in a summer resort or retail during the holidays, lenders may allow you to qualify if there's a regular pattern of seasonal income and unemployment income. Again, you'll need a 2-year history for this work. However,
another awesome feature is cut editing. OpusClip tightens up the clips by removing filler words and awkward pauses. Another cool feature is scene detection. It segments your long-form video based on the topic or tone shifts, which is really helpful if you're covering multiple tips, topics, or ideas. And then I have to mention OpusClip's auto hashtags and titles. OpusClip gives you suggested titles and tags for your shorts, which can sometimes be harder to come up with than the actual video itself. It's like having an editor, a strategist, and a social media intern all in one, and none of them will question your authority. I like it. So here's my honest take on OpusClip. The pros: it saves hours of editing time. The AI is surprisingly good at picking out gold from your 15-minute video. The clips look polished right out of the box. It will give you a transcript for your videos, which is also editable if you need to edit it. It also has lots of useful extras like I said, captions, titles, and platform-specific formatting. And as for the cons, well, like any AI-powered software, it is not perfect. Sometimes the AI picks clips where I'm literally mid-sentence or mid-blink. I can do that on my own, thank you very much. Another con is that you'll still need to review the output before you post because you're not going to always like the clips that it chooses. Again, it's artificial intelligence. You always have to double check. AI has inserted random B-roll that has sometimes has nothing to do with the word or the sentence that has been inserted. So you gotta check. You gotta go back and double check. The stock library for the B-roll, it's kind of limited. Many times I go into Canva or Getty Images for what I need because of their library. The issue with that is it takes a long time to upload an image or a video externally. Another con is that it is somewhat limited when it comes to advanced manual editing. But that's not a huge deal because that's not really the wheelhouse of OpusClip. If you're a content creator, coach, real estate pro, mortgage lender, or just someone who wants to multiply and repurpose their content reach without doubling their time, OpusClip is worth checking out. Whether you post daily or weekly, this tool helps you show up everywhere without hiring additional team members or contractors. So would I recommend OpusClip? I think you know the answer by now. Absolutely. It's taken one of the most tedious parts of my content process and made it quick, efficient, and honestly, kind of fun. If you want to check it out, I'll drop a link below. They have a free trial period, so you can explore all of the main features at no charge before deciding to do a monthly subscription or yearly subscription or whatever suits your budget. Note, if you use my link, I may receive a small referral commission, which will also help support my channel. So thank you in advance. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you've used it before or what you think about it, or if you have any questions. And let me know if you want me to do a more extensive full tutorial showing you exactly how I turn my videos into shorts. I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that I didn't cover here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with fellow content creators who are still editing clips the old-fashioned way. They'll thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.